Yeah, my people, welcome back to another YouTube video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram and TikTok at QuanBikeLife876. Yeah, people, so now we're up on the South Camp-Attica on the road. Yeah, make sure it's on alright. Look out and alright, safe and things. Yeah, man. And for the people who are watching now, subscribe. Make sure it's on like, share, and subscribe. It's free for subscribing, my people. I want to reach 1K subs. Alright, then. Yeah, so we plug the stoplight and go and chill and thing. Why am I know, but it's a runner, sir. I check my phone and thing, but it's a runner, sir. Yeah, I say traffic always, brother. Traffic for days.
Don't hang up. Just wait the lights will change. Alright. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, I'm there. King and Lama come up. Back what taxi, you know. Back taxi, you know. Not fast. Alright, never mind.
This one there, so I see a police and come off my phone. See police boy and traffic. Yeah, so we take come back here and start punching because I'm got 250. Yeah, man. Thanks for all the support and give us a far. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it to a friend. Yeah, man. Alright, we'll cut back on the side there now. I'm going to be too traffic. And boy, I'm not knowing, brother. Yeah, so ever full of traffic. See, I one police boy I work on the ends, but nah, to watch him. But the police, them, they out enough to that too. Yeah, man. That one police boy, the broke alcohol and everything, yeah, see. Punch through, you say, I know. Boy, I see people in my drive. So when I see the bike man come and I make him, I beg him, please. Just give it away. Bike can't, so no traffic can't, just give it away, man. Yeah, man, machine a punch, no joke, no night. Yeah, so book up on a bike by that person. And the dog see me, dog crying. Yeah, it's like you never expect to see a next biker. But yeah, my people, I want to drop some bad new video. I review some different bike, but as I'm saying, I just need some more support. Anytime I start reach like 500 subs and so, I can get some bigger deals and do some more review on some of the bike them I like. Some more gonna start coming to some video idea on want me to see what I want to see me do and stuff like that. But they don't know, so I want to try to stay safe at every time. So make sure you see things that really make sense.
So buy one now. No, that's something like this.
Yeah, my people, so really I think it again. But to traffic, boy. Yes, it was a traffic jam into the God for bike. Buck up and I see the police boy there, so I work and say, we can't bother wait for him, so yeah, run through all the correct light. But him cold still, so now really makes him empty. Yeah, man. Yo, you see, if you have a bike, man, tell your friend no, go buy one. If you see a bike, I watch ya. You know one thing, camera part or because I got, yeah, so me have flick it up. But you know what I say? But those who camera pass with ease and gone again. If you have a bike, go invest in a one now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, tell a friend. The new bike guys in town. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned. Watch the video to the end.